Hey guys, it's DJ's Finest. Today we're going to be trying foreign snacks from around the world. And I got two guests. So, yeah. Hi guys. It's Chase Freeman 822. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe.
Hi y'all, it's me, Johnny. I don't know you guys, but hey.
So yeah, let me show you guys all of the foreign food snacks that we have. First we have these Meiji Hello Panda new sport biscuits with chocolate cream on the inside. Where are they from? It says right here. They're made in Meiji Seika. No, Singapore. They're made in Singapore. And this is Hello Kitty Yobo chocolate coated sticks. It is made in Korea. Oh, South Korea.
This is Kit Kat Chunky, and this is made in Great Britain.
No. Then we have these all natural Dolcetto chocolate pastry cookies. They were made in Indonesia. We also have these Happy Hippos that were made in Germany. And we have something called Bokai, made in Italy. And then we have Ritter Sports. They were made in, let's see. Where were they made? Oh, let me see. I got it. So these were also made in Germany.
As soon as we get home, everybody's on the bed.
So first we're going to start with the Happy Hippo. Let's see what these things taste like. I'm dying to see what they taste like. So just opening it up like this. And they come in separate packaging. They look like little hippos. So I'm just going to take it out of the pack. It looks good. I heard it tasted good too, so I'm gonna just bite the head. Oh my god. This is so good.
You're over dramatic.
This is so good.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna just open it. It looks good. It don't look that good.
Oh my mama mia. Okay, let's open this up. This is on the outside. Yeah. That's so good. I'm hungry. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna eat Hello Kitty Yobo. So let me open this. So it's open here. So alright, I got it. Okay, it's a big pack. It says Hello Kitty Yobo. Just like the front. No difference. Except her clothes. Okay. Oh, so they're like little pretzel sticks or something? With chocolate on them? Okay, ready? Take a bite out of the chocolate part first. Okay. I'm gonna take a bite out of the chocolate part first. Okay, now let's taste the bottom. It's like pretzel-ish thing. Cool. I'm gonna tell what it tastes like. Now let me take apart this. Mama. Yeah. Go. So I'm just gonna try this thing. I've never tried it. So here we go. You like it? For me, I'll give this a 3 out of 10. The chocolate, it's like dark chocolate or something. I don't eat dark chocolate. So, I'll pass. Go. Okay, so I got this drink. It's called Ramune. It is Japanese. fun drinking around your day. Okay, so I'm just gonna do what it says. Take this part off.